Meaning of flippantly.
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 Flippantly. Flippantly means to act or speak in a disrespectful, nonchalant, or dismissive manner. A person who is flippant may make light of serious or important matters, often with sarcasm or humor, and without considering the potential consequences of their words or actions. This can lead to misunderstandings, hurt feelings, or dangerous situations. It's important to be mindful of how we communicate with others, especially when discussing sensitive topics or expressing our opinions. Being flippant can undermine the seriousness of a situation and damage relationships or reputations.